Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today we're going to do a video about Tron. We're going to see if there is the potential to see 1,000% gains. I know that sounds asinine, but I mean, it's possible, especially if the world turns over from, utilizing fiat currency to cryptocurrencies. Could that make Tron catapult itself 1,000%? If that's something that can happen on the horizon, we're going to try to talk about that today because currently, I mean, just looking at the chart for what it is, it doesn't look feasible. But just like with the current situation in the economy, things can definitely change on a dime. So welcome everyone to the channel. Make sure you guys hit that like, share, and subscribe for more of my videos and content. I'm here to give you all the news according to the charts, basically looking at what everyone else is doing so that we can try to get ahead of them to where they're trying to go. So if you guys want to learn more, make sure you guys tap that bell notification as well. Currently right now, looking at the market in Tron, we do have a price prediction here in the market. We were anticipating that Tron was going to go higher, but as you can see, that did not play out. So maybe the market is ready for a mega dump because those buyers into the market in Tron did not show up after we did our price prediction. In fact, the ultimate stop loss was hit on March the 11th. So like 3 days into the prediction, 7.86%. The market ultimately came all the way down here to like 21 cents. And that's where the buyers initially staged their comeback, and price has been elevated higher since then. But it doesn't look massively bullish though. So I wouldn't say that 1,000% gains is something that's on the table right now. We might have to pull that back a little bit. So let's go ahead and get rid of this price prediction here in the market in Tron. We will also delete these buy pockets here for Tron. And we will create certain areas that we do see sellers. So this area specifically is where sellers are. Outside of this particular sell pocket that the market, after we did our price prediction, those sellers stood firm. They did not let those buyers break this sell pocket at 25 cents. It's not a good thing for us to see a mega pump occurring to the market in Tron. Here it is on the 2-day chart. The market still doesn't look too bullish. Still looks pretty weak here on the 2. Here is Tron on the 3. We have 13 more hours left, and we're currently seeing the price close on the bottom of the bar. So in the next 13 hours, if it still looks this way, then I think we have a little bit lower to go. Maybe we might see Tron hold this particular buy pocket right there on the 3. So let's go ahead and create that and look at this on the daily to see if that's pretty much a legitimate buy pocket. So yeah, it is. Okay, so that will be a target if we're going to anticipate lower prices in Tron right there. Here it is on the 4. Okay. All of these 4-day price bars, you guys can literally tell how the price is closing on the bar, that the market is not bullish. It's closing well off the highs, which resembles more selling occurring into the market than there are people willing to buy those who are trying to sell. Here it is on the 5. 2 more days left in 14 hours. Doesn't look too good there neither. Here it is on the weekly chart. Tron on the 2, 3, and the 5. So I won't say that the market here in Tron is drastically bearish or that the market is trying to, collapse or plummet to the downside. But I still think that there's some weakness here that the buyers will have to contend with before they try to lift this market up above this sell pocket. So let me go ahead and bring this up a little bit higher. Okay. So we're definitely going to eye, especially right here on the 5-hour chart, this buy pocket. And there's another one right here to see how soon the market buyers will try to keep price from falling any further. These 2 buy pockets right there. So hit this back on the daily. We're going to anticipate lower prices into the market in Tron, albeit we're not going to be drastically bearish, not yet. Okay, so we're going to look for the market to go lower. I'm going to try to target this second buy pocket in Tron, which is around like 22.5 cents. The first target is like 3.15%. Our next target will be at 22 cents, 5.25. And then we're going to run this third target all the way down here to like 20 cents. All right, so just like that. So yeah, I'm actually finished. Just go ahead and give me your thoughts. Let me know if you think the market in Tron is going to run 1,000% in the long term, or will this market set up for a major move to the downside? Because overall, we're not getting too much in terms of volatility in Tron. It's just trading within the trading range. So once we break this trading range, I do maintain that the price will do a major pump or a major dump once all of this market participation and trades is finished, either we'll see a breakout or we'll see a breakdown. Let me know your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit, and as always, trade different.